Hey guys, so today's just a beach day. We're gonna have lunch on the beach and hopefully I don't get burnt because I get sunburnt extremely easily, so fingers crossed that I just tan. Hey y'all, so we're at this lighthouse thing. We walked from the beach down there, and I was trying to take some good pictures along here for, you know, that Instagram picture. But it's really scary because the water keeps splashing up and I keep feeling like I'm gonna fall and then die. Ow. It's her birthday! Happy birthday, Mom! Ouch! Cheers, happy birthday, Mom! Birthday. Yeah, it's her birthday, and so we're just celebrating the day at the beach and then gonna go out to dinner later. And that's pretty much it for now. Bye! How do you like your birthday surprise?
This is good and pretty and fun.
Yeah, my dad surprised actually our whole family with a little boat ride, a sunset cruise ship with an open bar. So, because you know she hasn't had enough to drink today.
No, not at all. Come sail away, come sail away, come sail